Hey guys, this is Seth, your detail doc, back here making some videos for you guys. This is going to be in my ceramic coating care tips. This is going to be one of the videos in that series. This is mostly for my ceramic coating clients, especially, and prospective clients too as well. This is Gtechniq C2V3. This is their liquid crystal. Essentially what this is a silica-based sealant. It can be used as a standalone sealant on your vehicle if it's not ceramic coated, or if your vehicle is ceramic coated. This is a great option to top it off, re-amp up those hydrophobic properties, add on some additional protection, lengthen out your coating, stuff like that. A lot of my clients, they like to use this on their Gtechniq coatings, every once a month or so, and that's even a little bit unnecessary. Typically, when you bring it in to me on a Gtechniq coating for your yearly inspection, this is exactly what I top it off with. I just top it off with C2V3 and we call it good. But some of my clients really like this. They say they use it like once a month on their coated vehicle and just add that added gloss, added protection, reamps up the hydrophobic properties, make that water bead up really nicely, self-clean really nicely. And how to use this product is pretty simple. All you gotta do is, you're gonna have to take 2 towels here, 2 microfiber towels, fold them into fourths. And then you're gonna have this towel, reasonably saturated. You're gonna do like, I'd say 5 or 6 sprays in this towel to get it primed. And then you're just gonna do some small sections on the vehicle at a time. Just wipe it in, and then you're gonna take your second towel and then just buff off any residue. You don't want to leave any residue because it is silica based. It can be a little bit difficult to take off if you let it dry on there for too long. It's pretty simple to use it. There's a bunch of videos out there on showing you guys how to use C2V3, but it's a really good standalone sealant by itself on a non-coated vehicle. Just on a non-coated vehicle, you want to make sure that your paint is properly washed, decontaminated, prepped, polished, stuff like that before you start applying C2V3 on your vehicle. And for a coated vehicle, making sure that your vehicle is washed, clean. If there's some contamination on it, get rid of the contamination. And then, just apply C2V3 and then you're good to go. Your coating's looking great. It's, like a booster for your coating if you want to think about it like that. The extra topper. The icing on the cake, pretty much. Just thought I'd make this short video for you guys, explaining you guys what Gtechniq C2V3 is. It's a really great coating maintenance product. Amp up the gloss again, amp up the hydrophobic properties, get your coating looking just like it was coated again. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Have a great day.